Good evening, ladies and gents. Today we are doing, we're still doing grade 12 November 2018 paper 1, but today we are doing question 2. Question 2, you are given a quadratic sequence, which is 2, 3, 10, 23. And the question they're asking us, write down the next term of the sequence. So we've got 2, 3, 10, 23, and we've got the fifth term. So we know from a quadratic sequence that their second difference are equal because it's a quadratic sequence. So then we start, we've got our sequence 2, 3, 10, 23, and we've got the fifth term that we are looking for. That's the first question. So difference between this is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 10 minus 3 is 7, 23 minus 10 is 13, and then we don't know fifth term minus 23. Then we know the second difference is they are the same. So 7 minus 1 is 6, 13 minus 7 is 6, and this one it's 6 already because we know it's a quadratic sequence. So first, for us to get there, we need to get this first difference. So the first difference, if we give it a variable x, then we calculate x minus 13, which is going to give us 6. So x minus 13 is 6, therefore x is 6 plus 13, which gives us 19. Therefore, so the first difference is 19. Therefore, we can try to find the fifth term. So the fifth term, because we know the difference between the fifth term and the fourth term. So fifth term minus 23. Fifth term minus 23 is giving us 19. So fifth term minus 23 is 19. Then fifth term, which means is 19 plus 23 when we bring 23 to the side. Then when we add the 2, it gives us 42. Then the second question, they say determine the nth term of the sequence. So we know the quadratic term Tn is equals to an squared plus bn plus c. So if we get T1, where we replace the n with the term 1, so T1 is going to give us a into 1 squared plus b into 1 plus c, which gives us a plus b plus c. T2 is a into 2 squared plus b into 2 plus c, which gives us 4a plus 2b plus c. The third term is a into 3 squared plus b into 3 plus c, which gives us 9a plus 3b. And then we already know we can solve this using simultaneous equation. We know the difference between these terms. So we know that term 2 minus term 1 is equals to 1. So term 2 is 4a minus plus 2b plus c, minus term 1 is a plus b plus c. They giving us 1. So we solve this. 4a plus 2b plus c minus a minus b minus c is equals to 1. So 4a minus a is 3a, 2b minus b plus c minus c is 0, which is 1. Therefore, b is equals to 1 minus 3a when we bring 3a this side. Let's just say this is 1a. Then we know again term 2 minus term 3 minus term 2 is equals to 7. So term 3 minus term 2 is equals to 7. Term 3 equation is 9a plus 3b plus c minus term 2 is 4a plus 2b plus c, which is equals to 7. So we've got 9a plus 3b plus c minus 4a minus 2b minus c is equals to 7. So 9a minus 4a is 5a. 3b minus 2b is b. Plus c minus c is 0, which is 7. Then we substitute 1a into this equation. So substitute 1a into this equation. Therefore, we're going to have, do it this side. Here, put the camera here. 5a plus b is equals to 7. So if I substitute b is 1 minus 3a is equals to 7. So we've got 5a plus 1 minus 3a is equals to 7. So 5a minus 3a is 2a, plus 1 is equals to 7. Therefore, 2a is 7 minus 1. 2a is 6. Therefore, a is 6 over 2. A is 3. Then we can go back. We know b was 1 minus 3a. Then we can get b. b is 1 minus 3 into 3. 1 minus 9, which is minus 8. Therefore, b is minus 8. Now we've got two variables. And we know from the first equation, which is term 1, a plus b plus c is equals to 1. We replace these known variables to get c. So a is 3 plus b, which is minus 8, plus c is equals to 1. So 3 minus 8 plus c is equals to 1. Minus 5 plus c is equals to 1. We bring 5 this side. So c is equals to 1 plus 5. It's 1 plus 5. Let's just make sure we are fine. 3 minus 8 plus c, which is minus 5. So c is equals to 6. Therefore, Tn is an squared plus bn plus c. We replace the variables that we know. Tn is a, which is 3n squared, plus b is minus 8n plus 6. Therefore, Tn is 3n squared minus 8n plus 6. That is our n term. Then 2.1.3, they wanted us to find T20, the 20th term. So we're going to replace 20 into this. So 20 squared minus 8 into 20 plus 6. Then just use a calculator, you get your answer. Thank you. Fingers.